Hello YouTube, anyways today's video is going to be a Father's Day DIY. What you're going to need is a cup or mug that says Dad on it, or you can make one. Some snacks that he's like, just some Crush bars. My dad likes Crush bars. You can also include some drink mix. This is Propel, like flavored water powder. And then some straws. These are optional. You can include these or not. You can also some wrapping paper. So first, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to cut some wrapping paper. How a good chunk of it, probably like 12 inches, maybe probably like 1 foot to 24 inches. Just kind of eyeball how much you need. Promise to cut extra in case you need extra wrapping paper. So what you're going to do, and it doesn't have to be perfect, you're going to go ahead and now you're going to take your cup, you're going to put this wrapping paper in there, and then you can kind of make it, then you're going to kind of make like a hole like that. Then you're going to put the stuff in. And you're just going to kind of arrange it however you want. Okay, then you can add the drink powder. You have drink powder. You can add the straws. This will fit if you have room for them. If you don't have room, you don't have to add them. If you want to, you can leave them sticking up, or you can tuck them in. Especially if they're silicone, and then like make it like an arch. Like that. So you can give it either like this to your dad, so then they open that, then they have a present. Or what you can do is you can pull this up, pull the edges all out, and kind of hide it a little bit more. If you cut better than I did, it'll hide it a little bit more. Or you can even tape it on top like that. You can get like a bread tie that you no longer visit, or like that. So anyways, I hope this helped you out with some Father's Day gift ideas for y'all. So make sure if you made this far into the video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up down below and like and subscribe. There should be a red subscribe button. And if you're a return subscriber, thanks so much. See y'all. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. See ya.